Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today I'm making a beautiful, flavorful wild-caught salmon recipe for our Sunday dinner. This is another family favorite we love to enjoy. So go ahead, have fun, and enjoy the video. I'm making a quick and easy salmon recipe. It's a Sunday favorite of ours. It's so delicious. And I wasn't planned on filming. This is a last minute thing. And I'm using white wine in my salmon. Now you can use vodka, you can use bourbon. It depends on how you're making your salmon, but when I make it this way, I like to use white wine. And I'm using avocado oil, as everybody knows, that's my favorite. You don't have to, you can use butter, you can even use coconut oil, use ghee. It's your choice, and make sure you're using fresh herbs. I love thyme and I love rosemary, and I absolutely fresh ginger. Now, if you don't have fresh ginger, go ahead and use powder. It works out just fine. And I'm using low sodium soy sauce. If you're using the regular sauce, just make sure you check your seasoning because you don't want it to be too salty. Remember, it's yours. This is your way. You're making it, so you want to make sure it's how you want it to taste. And this is my roast garlic that I'm using. I'm using a few pieces in there. Roast garlic is so delicious. And of course, I got to use my green avocado seasoning, creamy seasoning, so good. And just mix everything in together because you want to make sure marinade is good. And you just also want to go ahead and taste it just to make sure it's how you want it. If you need more salt, add more. If not, you're good to go and just start marinating your fish. And it's best to do this overnight and just put it in the fridge to sit. Now, we did not have that much time to do it. So I think we marinated for like 3 hours because there's no way we could have waited any longer. I ended up also using a bit of fresh oregano and some chili pepper, and we baked this for 15, I think it was 15 minutes, but you can do 15 to 20 minutes or less. Depends on how you like your salmon. At 400 or 400 to 425. And this is how it came out. It came out so delicious. Oh my goodness, the sauce on this fish was so delicious. The only thing is I did not have time to plate it up because everybody was hungry. So we went ahead and had it with rice and peas, asparagus, so delicious. Go ahead and make this and enjoy the video. Thank you.